In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the landing page URL in Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account and wait for the dashboard or overview page to fully load. It's important to give the page a moment so all menus and campaign data appear correctly before you make any changes. After the dashboard is ready, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Audiences, Keywords, and Content. From there, select Search Keywords so you can view your keyword list. This is where you'll be able to review the keywords connected to your campaign and identify the one linked to the ad you want to update. Take a moment to review the list carefully and locate the specific keyword associated with the landing page you want to change. Next, find the final URL column next to that keyword. Before editing anything, verify that you've selected the correct keyword and the correct URL. This is a good habit because even a small mistake here can send users to the wrong page. Once you've confirmed everything, click the pencil edit icon beside the final URL. Wait for the URL editing window to open. If needed, highlight the current landing page URL so you can replace it cleanly. Then enter the new landing page URL. After entering the new link, double-check it for any spelling or formatting errors. Make sure the full address is correct and that it leads to the intended page. You'll also want to confirm that the landing page matches the ad content, since consistency between the ad and destination page can improve user experience and help maintain campaign quality. Now review the updated URL one final time. If everything looks right, click Save to apply the change. Then wait briefly while Google Ads processes the update. Depending on your account and connection speed, this may take a few moments. Once the update is complete, verify that the new URL now appears in the final URL field. After that, test the landing page yourself to make sure it loads correctly. This final check is important because it helps confirm that visitors will reach the right destination without errors or broken pages. Finally, confirm that traffic will now be directed to the new destination, and keep an eye on campaign performance after the update so you can monitor results and make sure the change is working as expected. Thanks for watching.